It's the moment you've been waiting for. It's time for the blind bag giveaway. Hosted by yours truly, Bobette. Listen carefully for how to win the Dandy's World bag clip plushie of your choice. Step 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Step 2. In the comments, write these 3 things. #giveaway. What country you live in. This is so I can make sure I am able to ship the plushie to you. And the 3rd thing, which bag clip you want. Shelly, Astro, Dandy, Sprout, Bee, or Pebble. And finally, step number 3. Watch my Sprout mini movie at the end of this video and vote in the quiz. The giveaway will last for only 1 week and will end at 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, July 2nd. One person will be chosen at random to receive a blind bag plushie of their choice for free. I will even pay for shipping. Put all your answers in one comment. And by the way, I think this one is dandy. Check the description below for all the rules. And get ready for the Sprout mini movie in 3, 2, 1. Can you guess how many photos and video clips did it take to make the Sprout mini movie? 253, 178, or 377? Did you guess right? Like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more Dandy's World. And don't forget to check back on July 2nd to see if you are the winner of the Dandy's World blind bag giveaway.